My name is Glenn. I'm with Glenn's European Auto Repair in Spring City, Pennsylvania. The experience with Lyft has been pretty great so far. We've had a really awesome team, account representatives from Lyft that just have really worked with us and tried to figure out exactly what we're trying to accomplish and then really worked hard with us to get to the end of the goal. And truthfully, it was hearing about experiences from other people that have used you to your team and really just had success with it. And not only just had success with it, but like the people that they're working with. Since we originally first started working with you by about 100 cars a month, probably about an $85,000 a month jump, which has been awesome. So it's been really great. I would definitely say, if you are not getting the results out of a marketing company you are currently using, or if you aren't marketing at all, there is definitely more to be had. There's a company for you, and you should definitely be looking for a company that kind of aligns with all the goals and the visions that you have yourself. So you should speak to a company like Lyft and see if that's a great fit for you.